When I first met Rick Rajat, who's the CEO of United Paragon and Associates, he told this great story. It was very exciting, but there's very little data at the time. So I hear this great story all the time. It's something that comes across my desk, and everybody has the next wonder drug, and it usually goes nowhere. So Rick was not a pharmaceutical expert, but what I was able to see was that there was a lot of passion in this, and there was some potential. So I told him, it's too early for us, but keep in touch and here's some advice, and let him go. Well, he came back to me with a little bit of data. I gave him a little bit more advice, and he came back to me again with a little bit more data, and it started to get exciting. Over time, the data became so compelling, I couldn't not get involved in this. I'm the head of research and development, so a lot of what I do is to oversee the scientific development of the drug and the regulatory pathway for the drug. So how do we actually bring this to market? What is our strategy? And then how do we execute? And part and parcel at this point is trying to raise the funding to take us through our next phase of research. So I will do presentations and investor kind of relations as well as the scientific side. What we've managed to do is we've managed to understand how the isolate works, what receptors it works on, and what we know is it modulates a number of different brain receptors very important in the etiology of depression. What we've also been able to show is in a small study of depressed patients that the drug works very well. What we've seen is the efficacy rates are very similar to what we see in other drugs, if not better. And we've seen patients who failed in other drugs actually succeed taking Rellidep. Also very importantly is we see that the time to clinical benefit is 3 to 4 times faster than what we see in drugs that are currently on the market. And the side effect profile looks very good. This is a very small trial, it's early stage, but what's exciting about it is the results are overwhelmingly positive.